welcome back to another vlog. It's Monday. I just got back from at home because I was creating some content with my Touchland hand sanitizers, and I was also doing a little shopping. So let me give you a little haul of what I got. My main reason for going there was to get some fake floral pieces because I don't have any, and I wanted to replace these tulips in my vase that I have in my bathroom. So I brought this with me when I went shopping. That's a little hack. And it looks so freaking nice. I was like staring at it for a little bit too long, but I think I love what I picked. This one was only $7.99. This one was $3.99. And then this one was only $2.99. And then this one was $3.99. I was in that aisle for far too long trying to like make the perfect bunch. And I love how it came out. Isn't that just so pretty? I love it. I'm obsessed. And let me just say, they have the cutest pink Christmas decor. It was so hard for me not to buy anything. I saw these pink bleeding candles when I went there a couple of weeks ago, and I just had to go back and get them. I thought these were so freaking cute. I can't wait to see what they look like when I light them. And then I went into the candle holder aisle because I don't have any. I was in that aisle for a while too. But then I found these cute candle holders. I wasn't sure whether I wanted to get them or not, but I think they look like little skirts. I thought they were super cute, so that's the candle holder. I'm like, if I think they're ugly later, then maybe I'll return them if I don't use them. But for the time being, I think that's pretty cute, right? I don't know, maybe it looks weird because I'm holding it in my hand, but let me like set them down and show you. Okay, yeah, these look so much better now that they're on the table. And then I got this cute light pink pumpkin mug. This was only $6. How cute is this? It has little eyelashes. Adorable, right? At first I was like, is this cute or am I tripping? But I think it's cute. I was on the hunt for some Halloween coffee mugs, and this is the only cute one that I found. Now, like I said, when it came to their Christmas decor, they did not miss, and I had to get this because I didn't want a chance at selling out, and I'll just keep it in my cupboard for another couple of months. But how freaking cute. So let's go put this in my bathroom. Oh, let me show you. I also hung my floating candles. I did that last Friday after I ended the vlog, so let me show you. It comes with a little wand, and it even lights up. How freaking cute. Lumos. See how cute. It looks better at nighttime, but. So you can turn it on and off with the wand. The only thing about this is you need a battery for each candle and for the wand. So I got the 18 pack. So I needed 19 batteries total, including the wand. I got these off of TikTok Shop. If you're thinking about getting floating candles, do it. Lumos. I'm such a little kid at heart. And I always will be. Don't mind my bathroom, it's starting to get messy again. I will clean it soon enough, but let's figure out where to put these first. So I used to have this up here, but I feel like that's just a little bit too tall. I'm like, is that, yeah, that just doesn't look right. That's not gonna work. So I already had in my head that I was gonna replace it with this, which is the best move, I think, so. I haven't been filming any like skincare videos or makeup videos. I used to film those on the regular before we moved. I don't know why I haven't filmed anything yet. I need to like push myself to do that. And I keep saying I'm gonna film some hairstyle videos, but one thing at a time, I'll get there. But I don't know, how does this look? Like my stuff is all over the place. Let me like try to clean up a little bit and then figure this out. I need to reorganize all this down there too, so don't look at that. Darn it, I should have got some fall flowers for this thing too. Now we gotta go back. I need to put this in my purse, so when I do go back, I can just put the flowers in there that I want to make sure I'm gonna like it. So that's what I'll do with that. But for right now, should I put this here? Oops. And when I do go back to at home, I'll bring you along with me so I can show you their Christmas decor. It's off the chain. It's so freaking cute. I'm like, oh, where's the tab on this? There we go. I think that looks better, right? It's so freaking pretty. I love fall so much. It just makes me so happy. Summer used to be my favorite season, but every time fall hits, I always think maybe it's fall. Next, I need to tackle these shelves. They've never really been finished. I love this fake lavender plant, but we need some fall ones. I was looking for some fake fall plants to put up there, but I didn't see anything. So when I go back, I'll look. This isn't screaming fall either. I don't have any other fake fall flowers. Darn it. Then I have this shelf that I haven't really finished decorating yet either. Actually, I just realized I can get some fake fall flowers for this one too, because this didn't come filled, which is perfect. I got these from At Home, like the tag is still on them. I'm horrible about taking the tags off. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to At Home, take these with me and fill them with some more fall florals. And then I think that'll just complete the bathroom. I think that'll look so good. I'm debating on getting some bath bombs and putting those in here. I still need a shower curtain. It's bad, I know, but yay! Tomorrow is October 1st and I'm so excited. So these are gonna get put away until spring. Happy Tuesday. I just finished filming a clean with me video. I just tackled the kitchen and the living room because anything else is just too much, especially for these videos, trying to get them under a minute for reels or for shorts. It's a little tricky because there's so much to do, so I just kept it to these 2 rooms. For TikTok, it doesn't really matter because you can post videos over a minute there. But happy October, it's the 1st. I have my ghost pants on. This is the outfit I was cleaning in. Super cozy. I switched out my summer cups and put up my fall and Halloween ones, and I put this little pumpkin right here. I think it's so freaking cute. I think I got it from, oh yeah, the tag's still on it, Marshall's. And it was only $10, but I didn't know where to put this. And it looks so freaking perfect right there. I forgot how to create a bow with the hand towel, so I looked up a video on TikTok, but this just looks so much cuter. I don't know why I stopped doing this. Let me show you my bleeding candles. I blew them out because they go pretty fast and I don't want to waste them. I'm definitely gonna have to go back and get some more though. They're so freaking pretty. Let me give you the full effect. Doesn't that look so freaking cute? I love it so much. I'm so happy with my choice on the candle holders and the candlesticks. I feel like they go so well together. So when I go back to At Home, I'm definitely gonna be picking up some more of these because I want to light them for all of my content now, just because they're so aesthetic, especially for October. I ordered these pumpkins off of Amazon the other day. They're still kind of getting their shape back because they were like vacuum sealed, but how freaking cute are these? I say how freaking cute are these like 100 times, but can you blame me? So I was looking for some pink pumpkins at Marshall's and Home Goods and I couldn't find any, and these are actually reasonably priced too. I'll have them linked in the description box. They're super soft. You can actually use it as a pillow or, you know, just a decorative piece. I'm so happy with these. I was a little worried, but these were a hit. They have a bunch of other colors to choose from too. You don't have to just get this set, and it does come in a set of 4, which I love. My chandelier is supposed to get delivered today, so I need to check the tracking on that and see where it's at. I got my pictures in the mail too. I put them in their frames that I got off of Amazon. My next project is for me to figure out how I'm gonna hang these on the wall. I wanna put them somewhere over here, but I don't really know what I'm gonna do. I was thinking maybe I could do my OOTDs on this wall instead. I'm not exactly sure, but I need to set some time aside to really think it out and just get my beauty room set up to where I don't have to think about it and I can just film my OOTDs, because right now it's a little messy. I don't know what's going on. A task like this is something that I would easily just put off for a couple of days, and then the days turn into weeks, and then before you know it, it's months. But I want to tackle this and get it done, hang my chandelier. That's another thing. I told my husband, I'm like, you're gonna help me hang it, right? Because if not, it's just gonna be sitting in the box for who knows how long. But I am a content creator, so I need to get things moving. You know, I need to stay relevant. I'm super happy with the way all of my fall and Halloween decorations are looking around our new apartment. Everything just looks so much nicer, regardless of what it is. But now that it's October, of course, you know, we're focusing on the fall and Halloween decor, but just like anything in general looks so much better in this apartment. So I'm just so freaking happy, feeling so blessed and full and grateful. And then I also have a bunch of TikTok shop orders to film. Those are starting to build up. So it's a lot, you know, it never stops. I always gotta be filming, always gotta be editing. I was editing for a couple of hours before I picked up the camera, after I did my cleaning video. And now it's time to see what I'm gonna do with my OOTD area. So let's see if I could figure this out. What if I hang these pictures vertically, like this? But then this is where I would be standing, so I'd be blocking them, so that doesn't really make sense. Should I put them above my head, like horizontally, like that maybe? This is what my shot looks like right now. I love the accent lamp right there. It's just the cords on the bottom that are an eyesore. So maybe I should hang the pictures like up here, because normally my OOTDs are just a lot closer. Let me show you my inspo. Kate Kernau, I don't know how to pronounce her last name, but I love her background. Hers are a little bit farther too. She has her clothing rack in the background, and I would have a little bit of mine too. I would like set it up to where it looks nicer. Let me do a little test run and just see how it looks. I think that's the move, right? To hang them above. And then I have the mirror from my jewelry box right behind it so I can see myself in the viewfinder. That's what I was worried about, not being able to see what I look like. Okay, this might be the move. I did it. Well, I need to hang them first and I need to make sure they're even, so let me hold my breath. Let's look over the footage just to make sure we like it. Damn, when my chandelier is here, it's just gonna bring a lot more light into the room. I just figured out a resolution for the cord. I have an outlet right here and the cord reaches to it. I was thinking I was gonna have to use an extension cord, but it's perfect, yay! All right, now I just need to hang the pictures. I'm gonna wait until my hubby has some free time to do that for me. In the meantime, I guess I could sort my closet out because it's just so disorganized. And I've been meaning to do this, but again, I keep putting it off, so I have time. I'm gonna push myself to try to organize this. This is my old hamper that I was using for years before I got this one over here off of TikTok Shop. So I think I'm gonna throw this away because my husband doesn't separate his stuff. Otherwise I would tell him to use it for his whites. I'm gonna get to this and play some music. I'm getting rid of a bunch of these jumpsuits. I didn't realize I had so many. I think I have like 3 of them that I'm getting rid of right now. This one, this light pink one, and this black one. It's all the same brand, QQQ. I got them off of Amazon. I see them on TikTok Shop too. These are really cute, except for the fact that there's no built-in shelf. And I discovered that I need a built-in shelf in all of my tank tops, all of my rompers. That way you don't have to wear a bra. The girls look good and it's comfortable. So I'm getting rid of these. The quality on these aren't super great either. Like they were really nice before I washed them and then it's just not it. So yeah, I don't like those. Been meaning to get rid of those for the longest time. And then I just have like a bunch of other stuff that I'm realizing that is just sitting in my closet. So this is my little donation pile. I was not expecting to get rid of some stuff, but that's always a good thing because I have too many clothes in here. I'm trying to put all of my turtlenecks together. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I'm just figuring it out as I go. I've made some progress. This closet is just not super functional because it's not practical. Like, what is this? I have a bunch of room over here, but if I fill this up, then I'm not gonna be able to fill this bottom part up. Like, you can't do both. I mean, unless I like hang short tank tops over here, but I don't have that many short tank tops or like just short pieces. Like, it's just, I'm stressed out if you couldn't tell. So I'm trying to figure this out, but we are making a little bit of progress. I I just finished switching my hangers the correct way. I just had so many clothes on here that it was toppling over, so that's why I had to have my hangers the other way. If you thought that looked weird, that was why. So yeah, I don't want to clutter this with too many clothes like I did before. I could probably hang a few more things on there, but that looks good to me. I can definitely put my Uggs out here, all of my fall shoes. That's a good idea. Okay. Okay, yes. This is looking so much better. All right, I don't know if you can tell a difference, but this is so much better. It actually flows now. I know where everything is. I can actually walk in here without tripping over stuff. That didn't take me too long, but again, look at all of my summer clothes back here. Like I can't even push them all the way back because this rack is in the way. Like whoever designed this closet, straight to jail because I can't even do anything with it. I hung my new Christmas blanket. I cannot wait to use this. Our Christmas tree is down there, so it's only a matter of time before we bring that out. I love this clothes rack, but I need a bigger one because I have extra shoes hanging off the side. I need one with some like built-in shelves, like the one that Kate had in the picture that I screenshotted. Hers is bigger, you can tell. Yeah, see, I need one like hers. She has shelves right here. That would be perfect. And then I could put my hats on top just like she did. I'm gonna manifest that for my future, but for now, this is perfect. Happy Wednesday. Let's put my new chandelier together. I'm so freaking excited. I hope it's not too hard. The review said it's pretty easy. This is just gonna complete my beauty room and make everything flow and look so much better. All right. All right, here we go. This is the instruction manual, so let's see how difficult this is going to be. Ooh. Okay, let me show you what it's looking like. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I was expecting, which is a good thing because I was worried it was going to be a little bit too small. So oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Okay, I love this. I'm so glad I ordered this.
Do you have them?
The hex nuts right here, I think, right? Happy Thursday. We had to take a step back from that light fixture yesterday. It's still sitting on the ground and we have a chair right here because my husband is about to come in here and help me hang it. The instruction manual that it came with, it is so bad. The instruction manual just threw us for a loop and I couldn't find any videos showing how to put that together. But I think we got it. My husband is almost done with his work call. Once he's done, he's gonna come in here and we're finally gonna hang it. I filmed a morning routine this morning and that felt really nice because I meant to film one last week. I try to film one morning routine every week and I didn't do one last week. I've been doing my cleaning videos and just like other miscellaneous aesthetic videos, so I'm glad to get back on that. I haven't done an at-home workout in a long time, so I did like a 20-minute Pilates class today and it felt so nice on my patio. The temperature was like 66 degrees. There was a light breeze. It just felt so perfect. That crisp fall morning air. It's still like about 80 degrees midday, but in the morning and at night, the weather is so nice. Happy Saturday. I just came on here to end the vlog. We finally got our chandelier up. I'm so happy. I'll show you in next week's video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.